Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use electricity in Last Sea Survival Shooter. Electricity in Last Sea Survival Shooter is a core resource that plays a major role in your long-term progression, especially when it comes to research and development. You can obtain electricity passively from power plants on the world map by looting enemy space during combat and through select shop offers or event rewards. Once collected, electricity is primarily used inside the laboratory, where it becomes a requirement for upgrading technologies that boost your economy, combat efficiency, and overall power. As you progress through different research branches, you'll notice electricity is consistently needed alongside other basic resources, making it one of the most frequently consumed materials in the game. Because of this, maintaining a steady supply is essential, as nearly every stage of growth, from early upgrades to advanced research, depends on it to keep your city and forces advancing smoothly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.